good job in explaining and kind of outlining all the advantages. So I wanted to show you how it works and really how easy it is live. I think it's worth seeing. First and foremost, the story starts in the AWS Marketplace. So if any of you can go, and if you just go to any business software, the number one software in the market right now would be Jaspersoft. And as you can see, ever since the slide we have from Bhavik with 8 reviews, we're actually up for 12, and all of the last one was 5, so we're crunching into that 5-star running up our review. Basically, once you find Jaspersoft, deploying is as easy as a few clicks. You go in and any other part of the marketplace, you see all the information, whether it's being technical information, description, reviews, how to deploy, what version you're looking for. And once you continue, and you're clearly going to have to be a AWS subscriber, you present with a few options to deployment. Anything from here on the right, the one click, which really in one click will set up and deploy Jaspersoft in your environment, to a more specific EC2 launch console, so you can have some more control over what parameters you're looking. And Jaspersoft also offers CloudFormation Script, which is basically an AWS feature that allows you to deploy an environment with some pre-configuration that will introduce what we call our auto-discovery, or integration into your database ecosystem in AWS, and will allow you to automatically identify and find your AWS Redshift RDS data sources. So what you're seeing here, and there's no real point in clicking one click. Clearly there's some time it takes until the server, a few minutes until launch. But what I do have here is a pre-launch instance. And as you can see, that instance will be tagged with Amazon AWS Marketplace. And once you go through that process, which will take you anywhere between 5, if you read everything, to even 3 minutes if you are fast, you'll be able to log in into your instance. So once you log in, everything's available for you. Now, the key parts which differentiate this from just a regular deployment is how integrated this is into your AWS deployment, how easy it is to then start exploring your AWS-based data. So what we'll see here, for example, when I skipped earlier on the side of data sources, if I go to create a data source now, you'll see that there's a type AWS data source. And what it gives us is the ability to search within any one of your regions for your database. So if I have my database in Northern Virginia, what I need to do is find it, and all the integration to that environment, all the parameters will be auto-populated and easily configurable. So really, we're not only just another application you can deploy in the cloud, we integrate ourselves into your AWS ecosystem. That's what we mean when we say cloud ready. It's more than just any application to deploy in an OS in the cloud. Now, I think what the interesting thing is the power of now combining Jaspersoft exploration tool, the ad hoc tool, our in-memory engine, with the powerful Redshift database. What I'm going to show you right now is a little bit more details about our exploration tool, our ad hoc view, and how it works with Amazon Redshift. So, starting, I created an ad hoc view. I'll choose this time my domain. Instead of the supermarks, I will choose the Redshift and Tally data. Basically, this is U.S. Census data on the last 40 years. About 150 million records that sits on Amazon Redshift. I'll choose this domain. Now, you'll see it's very similar to the domain we saw earlier, but this time we're looking into big data. So we're looking into 150 million records. Now, what we will see now is 2 main capabilities. One is how our ad hoc tool can push down queries to enjoy the performance on bringing the data from Redshift. And then when we're looking to explore the data, our in-memory capabilities allow very fast interactive exploration on very large amounts of data. So as you can see in the data sets, we have all this information around birth and father's ages and babies counts. So what I would like to do is, with you together today, kind of use our ad hoc tool to find maybe some insight around trends in U.S. baby count data. So we'll start by looking at the data count, which will bring in now as a push-down query the data from Redshift. And let's see how it's how the file's age affects the amount of babies that people have. So once we do that, we'll get kind of the curve trend. Now, as you can see, the 99 at the end is what they type when they don't know the file's age. So there's a lot of those, unfortunately. And what I'll do here is simply create a filter from within our tool that will exclude this data. So we'll cap it at 50. Now we get the nice bell curve, and we see that over the last 40 years, the age 28 had the most babies. It's the most common age to have kids. But what if we want to see how that's impacted by years? So let's look at the last 4 decades. Let's create a filter that will kind of exclude a few of the years. We'll change it to a filter of one-off and easily be able to select what years we want in our data set. So let's add 1970, 1980, 1990, and the year 2000. And let's apply it on our data set. And we, as you can see now, because the data is already in memory, the exploration of 150 million records is extremely fast. There's no longer need to bring the data, and everything is being done in memory. But right now, we're not really seeing trend. We just changed we reduced the amount of years in the data set. But what if we want to see a trend? All we need to do is drag that second dimension, our field, into the columns. And click to explore, use our data slides to explore data as well. Now, a bar chart doesn't really do justice to this data, so we can easily change it to a line and then get a much nicer story that unfolds on the data. Now again, notice the speed that we're working against 150 million records. Once they were pulled, the initial query was a little longer because we had to pull data in memory. Everything else subsequently is being done in memory. And again, we're seeing now a very interesting trend. We're seeing that few interesting curves. We see 4 curves for each of the years. Now we see that for 1970, the most popular age is 23. For the 1980s, we moved to 26, then to 29, and now to 30. So we're definitely seeing that files' ages are, as we would expect, are getting older. Also, we can see another interesting thing. If we zoom into the data, we see that there's older fathers, more older fathers in recent years. So as you can see, the purple line is above every other curve. And all this is a way with our exploration tool to find instead within extremely large data sets in a very fast and high performance. And to get to this deployments, all you have to do is spend 5 minutes to the AWS Marketplace, deploy the solution, already discover your data, create a domain which we haven't covered in this session, but in a sense, build that semantic layer, which doesn't have to be that detailed, and start playing with it to get insight in a very high performance. Thank you very much.